Employees' attendances can be monitored according to the doctor's or staff's roster. Firstly, ensure that both the doctor's calendar and staff's calendar are properly filled up. Go to the Reports page. Scroll down and click Staff's Calendar, or Doctor's Calendar for doctors. Note that doctor's calendar is a medico-legal document. Make sure all employees' roster have been properly filled up. As best practice, the roster should be filled up at least 1 month before. In the doctor's calendar and staff's calendar, the time punched in and out will be displayed here for every shift. Let's go to the admin page to see how the attendance is tabulated. Click Payroll. Specify the period to list the attendances. In this example we select this month. Click Attendances. Select the employee from this list and click View. The shift for the day, as saved in doctor's calendar or staff's calendar, will be shown as this gray box called the shift box. In this example, this is the shift for 11th of August 2020. Hovering the mouse on the shift box will show the shift's start and end times. In this example, this shift on 4th of August 2020 starts at 3 p.m. and ends at 11 p.m. This green button with I indicates the time punched in on the biometric punch card. Hovering the mouse on this green button will show the time punched in. The asterisk next to I indicates that the punch-in was earlier than the shift start time. In this example, punch-in was at 2:53 p.m. but the shift start time was 3 p.m. Clicking this green button will open up the image box. When the biometric punch card is used, photo is taken as well and is displayed here. Click this green button again to close this image box. The turquoise button with O indicates the time punched out on the biometric punch card. Hovering the mouse on this turquoise button will show the time punched out. Clicking on it will show the image box. The asterisk next to O indicates that the punch-out was later than the shift and time. The employee's leave or off days are indicated with this background. Public holidays are indicated with this background. Late punch-in later than 5 minutes will be indicated with a red button. If the reason for this late punch-in is acceptable, this late punch-in can be excused by opening the image box by clicking this button. To excuse a late punch-in or early punch-out, specify valid reason under Remark, tick Excused and click Save to excuse this punch-in/out. Excused punch-in/out will not be included in this counts, and also will not be included in the performance scores. When a punch-in is not followed by a punch-out, the punch-in will be automatically punched out and marked with X, with the punch-out time being the same as the punch-in time. In this example, the punch-in time was 7:06 a.m. As the earlier punch-in was not punched out, and another punch-in was done here, the earlier punch-in is automatically punched out at 7:06 a.m. This is the automatic punch-out at 7:06 a.m. For clinics without the biometric punch card, manual punch-in/out can still be done. Click ATT. Enter the employee's login ID under User ID and the password. Select whether punching in or out and click Punch to save. Successful punch will be indicated here. Note that this punch-in/out can be done without logging in, meaning the currently logged in user does not have to log out. Manual punch-in/out will be indicated with this black button. The attendance can also be printed in printer-friendly layout by clicking this print icon. That's it. You're done.